My name is Jenna Cinanni. I'm 34 years old and I work for Advantage Metalwork and Finishing, and I've been there for about 3 years. I worked for Time Warner Cable for about 5 years, and it was a good job with good pay and benefits, but it didn't really speak to me. I'd always been interested in fire, metal, glass, and I knew that I had an interest in wanting to learn more about welding, so I thought of coming here and finding out. The classmates, the instructors, the people really did make this place, because you could have a wonderful facility with all the best equipment and technology, which they do, but if you don't have the people to provide the correct environment, you don't get the whole package, and this place was that. And I have to give a really big shout out to Kevin Adair, because he was a huge influence and help to me, and in picking up stuff that I wasn't grasping, and working with me to get some of the harder aspects of the program. I had a hard time with aluminum, and he was a help to that. We had maybe 2 or 3 weeks left in the program, and I had secured a job, so I felt comfortable going into the world with my new training. And I've been there since, and it's been almost 3 years. Since I've been there, I've moved from the night shift to the day shift. I'm most proud of having taken a chance and succeeded at it, and been able to rewrite my own history, being able to have a career in predominantly a male-driven industry, and been able to do something that I really enjoy.